Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. My sister is back for a fill-in and we're actually going to cut off her nails. She wants to have like more of a natural look. So what I am doing is I am taking my extra coarse drill bit and then I'm going to be filing the gel off, trying to file it off completely. I am going to leave a little bit because I don't want to touch her natural nail, but like I said, I am going to try to take everything off and leave a really thin layer.
Answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me.
Now I'm coming in with my tip clipper and we are going to cut this as short as possible. So I didn't want to go too close because she does have that underneath skin that, you know, like sometimes when your nails grow out, it pokes out. So I didn't want to touch that, but I am getting as close as possible. And then I am going to be taking a 100-180 grit nail file and then I'm going to be just filing it a little bit shorter and then straighter. Now I'm going to be pushing the cuticles back, trying to expose more of that nail bed. Now I'm coming in with my cuticle bit and I am working from right to left, and I do have this on the reverse setting and I am removing any of that dead skin. Once I do this all in reverse, I do go back on the same hand and then switch it to forward to work on that other side of the nail.
Maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back.
After that, I'm taking my cuticle nippers and then I am going to clip off any of that extra hanging cuticle that is lifted. And this is sped up, so it does look like I'm doing it pretty fast, but I'm actually going really slow clipping it, making sure I am not touching her live skin and only cutting off the dead skin. Coming in with my 180 sanding band, I am going to be removing any shine that is left on the natural nail bed.
What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do cause I'm feeling so cool.
Once the shine is removed, I am going to be applying me a Secret Nail Dehydrator, and then I will be applying clear rubber base coat. I'm adding a very thin layer, and then I will be curing that for 60 seconds in an LED nail lamp.
I got enough sound the same. Yeah. For my broken.
I am going to be applying the Nude GelPot number 4's Builder Gel. I'm going to be adding a very thin layer. She did already have some gel left over, so I am just going to be adding just a little bit more, just to backfill just very ever so slightly, just to give that nail some strength. Once I apply it to all the nails, I cure it again for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I'm going to be removing that sticky layer that's left over. And then I am going to be buffing the nails over with a white buffing block, smoothing it over because we are going to be applying some gel polish.
If I go out of track, you can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies.
After cleaning the nails off, I am going to be using the Gel Bottles ink color Lemonade. This is a really pretty bright yellow. I love how this color looks. And I'm going to be applying that to the pinky and to the thumb. Now, when it comes to gel polish, I cannot, for some reason, for the life of me, do gel polish. Like, it goes all over the cuticle and it drives me crazy. So my sister knew that I hate, anybody who comes to me knows I hate doing gel polish. But you know, I'm trying. So I do end up taking like a brush with some alcohol, and I try cleaning up the edging and just trying to make it perfect. But yeah, I struggle with gel polish. I don't know. Next color I'm coming in, it's from Clout Buttes, and it's like this really light baby pink, and I am only going to be applying that on the pointer finger. So I do 2 coats of each of the colors, and I do cure it in between for 60 seconds each. I'm not sure who did it because there was no name attached to it, but I seen this design on Pinterest, and they took the white, it was the yellow, and then the pink, and they dragged it up in like just like a random order. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking each color, dragging it up, and then I do take a brush and try to break up the lines just a little bit. You can see here I try to split it up, and then I am going to cure this for 60 seconds, and I am doing that both on the pointer and the middle finger. After it is cured, I am going to take a dotting tool, and then I'm going to add black dots only to the white part. I'm going to do larger and then smaller dots. So like I said, I seen this on Pinterest. I do not know who did it. So if you guys know, you know, leave a comment and, you know, tag them, or it was just really pretty and I wanted to try it. So after I apply the dots, I do cure it again for 60 seconds. Final step, I am taking Extreme Shine Top Coat from the Gel Bottle ink, and I'm going to be applying that. I actually do 2 coats because I did want a really shiny, glossy look, and then I do cure that for 60 seconds. And this is the final look. Considering me being horrible at painting nails with polish, I think I did a pretty okay job. As always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.